This episode, I'm gonna take you through the days of eating clean, doing workouts, and let's check it out. Boom. It's currently 7:40ish in the morning. I'm not gonna eat breakfast. My first meal for the day will be at lunch because I'm still full from the dinner yesterday. I think it's gonna be delicious. My plan is to bring some corn and bring the whey protein with me. Morning. I'm fresh and the weather cleared up a little bit. See? I don't know if you can see it, but the sun is up. Let's go to work. Nung bandang alas 12 na, nagsimula na akong magluto ng pang-lunch. Inuna ko yung itlog. Ilagay ko sa steamer. Steam lang ng kaunti. Tapos antay lang ng ilang minuto. Ready to eat na yan. Tapos na-remember ko na meron pa pala kaming cup noodles sa pantry. So nagluto ako ng isa. Low calorie lang naman eh. Yung isang feature na maganda sa Lucid pala is you can scan the barcode nung pagkain mo. If andun siya sa database nila, automatic na lalabas yung info niya. Dito naman, inisa-isa ko yung pag-unpack ng ingredients. Tingnan mo, di ba hindi mo makita kasi nakaharang yung kamay ko? Ang tanga mag-video, di ba? Pagkatapos ng kabobohan ko, nilagyan ko na lang ng mainit na tubig. Tapos ready na din yan. Pinrep ko lang yung corn tsaka nilagay ko sa microwave. Ngayon ready to eat na. Hindi dapat pwedeng makalimutan yung hot sauce kasi yan yung nagsisave sa atin eh. Kasi medyo boring yung flavors kung walang hot sauce. Mga bandang alas 3, nagpakals na naman kami. Na-remember kasi namin na mayroon pa palang pichi-pichi sa ref from Friday. Siyempre, sinabayan ko ng chocolate whey protein. Siyempre, pumuwesto ako sa may bintana para maganda yung view. Nakakadagdag kasi yan ng lasa eh. Nung mag-aalas 6 na, nag-impake na ako tsaka umuwi. Medyo drained na ako ng time na to. Di na ako nakapag-exercise nung araw na to. At ito nga pala yung dinner ko. Shin Ramyun lang na may dalawang itlog. So far, for this day, 1,700 pa rin yung calories ko. Day 3. Another day of clean eating. Let's go. It's day 3. I'm surprised na medyo okay lang yung energy levels ko ngayon. I was actually expecting na medyo bababa yung energy ko kasi I've been eating less for 2 days na, less than 1,700, and I'm still feeling positive na I can survive the week with only eating less than 2,000 calories per day. Let's see by the end of the week ilan yung timbang na lose ko. Hopefully hindi ako magsasawa sa corn and eggs for lunch. So far I'm okay. Hindi naman ako nag-crave ng rice and yung typical na pagkain ng Pinoy. So I'm feeling good.
Verification successful. Door closed.
Our lunch for today, corn again, and some eggs, boiled eggs gap at Digidi's house. Hot sauce. Still yummy. Uy. Ah. Usually, when I'm on a diet, I don't drink coffee as much as possible. Kasi medyo high calorie siya eh. Like for this latte, around 260 calories to. Tapos wala pa siyang sugar or sauce. But sometimes, I like to drink Americano. Yun, low calorie talaga yan. But today, I like to get some energy kasi medyo sleepy yung feeling ko. We have Joel here. Let's ask him kung ano yung tips niya for losing weight and living a healthy lifestyle. Sir Joel. Ito na legal.
So, hey guys. Ako tani pagkita.
Ay,
Wala lang eh.
pwede
So,
na.
ano lang.
Later.
Get enough sleep. And ito ganun ko. Lihok.
Be more active.
Be more active. If you can incorporate walking or running. Ano mo?
Okay. Thank you, Sir Joel. Next. Sir Dennis, any tips on living a healthy lifestyle and losing weight?
Get enough sleep, drink plenty of waters, and then have some light exercises, and then caloric deficit. That's it.
He's one of the fittest guys in here. I mean, all of them. Joel can run a half marathon within under 2 hours. He's a fast runner. Sir Dwight,
Hello guys, my tips for you is eat more protein and fill up your plate with veggies and plan your meals ahead and get enough sleep. So I think that's it. And lastly, aim for 1 to 2 pounds per week of weight loss.
sheesh! Parang chinat GPT lang ha.
No, Claude ang gamit
Ah,
ko.
Claude. Pero Dwight is healthy and he's one of the guys here na may abs. So, you can take his word for it. Lastly, Sir Nick.
Steroids. Hindi, joke lang. Get enough sleep, proper exercise, and
Yan lang. Okay. Medyo camera shy si Sir Nick. But, yun. I think, similar lang naman, no? More on sleep talaga, importante. And, move more para mag-caloric deficit ka. Even though, baka malaki yung kain mo for the day. As long as you're doing some exercises, you'll still go like magka-caloric deficit ka pa rin, 'di ba? Okay, thank you guys. I'm home. Let's do some light cardio sa basement. I wanna do 1,000 skipping. I wanna do 1,000 skips. Let's see gaano katagal ko makukuha yung 1,000 skips. using a skipping rope or jump rope. How many jumps? I don't know. I don't care. Hopefully, around 15 minutes. I'm happy with that. Hello? Hello? Hello, Willow? Okay, kakabihis ko lang. I'm ready to do 1,000 skips. Punta tayo ng basement. I'm gonna use this here. Bigay to ni Joel. Shout out Joel. Tara, punta tayo ng basement. Okay. Medyo madilim dito. But sandali lang naman tayo. Let's do 1,000 skips. I'm gonna track it using my smartwatch. Okay. Lagay ko kayo dito. During this exercise, medyo malakas tayo nag-start. Medyo mabilis tayong nakahit ng 100 skips up until 300. Nung mga pa 400 na, nagsimula nang mag-cramp yung right foot ko tsaka yung left calf. And then nung mga nag 800 na, doon medyo nag-mental battle na talaga to push myself kasi nakita ko na sa watch ko na around 17 minutes na yung time. So I had to push myself. But I was able to finish it naman. I just finished 1,000 jumps, but I wasn't able to achieve 15 minutes or below. I was just shy of 20 minutes. 19 minutes and 54 seconds. Whew. Look how sweaty I am. Ooh. But it feels good. I'm gonna rest a bit, cool down, and head back up and take a quick shower. And then dinner. Let's go. Actually hoping for around 15 minutes because I think that's the fastest time I had earlier this year. I am now fresh and I am starving. Now we're gonna cook some dinner. Luluto tayo ng beef, yung binili natin. I-sear, ipapatusta, lalagyan ng green peas, mushrooms, and then some seasonings. Tapos magluluto din tayo ng egg, itlog, isa scrambled, lalagyan ng seasoning, and then we're good to go. Let's eat. Tingin ka lang dyan. Huh? You know what I realized? Because I've been fat, overweight most of my life. And one thing lang talaga yung nag-click or nag-work para sa akin. Sorry if I'm talking with food in my mouth, but please excuse me. But yung nag-work lang for me is counting calories. When I started counting calories and counting all of my work, counting my workouts means how much calories I burned. So when I started counting, I counted for many weeks, like almost 3 months. I actually saw an improvement. That's when I got the results that I wanted. I was 115 kgs when I started earlier this year. And now I'm 103 last time I checked. It's now day 3 of my journey. I'm gonna weigh myself again on day 6 on Saturday. That's it for day 3, end of episode 2. On the next episode, I'll bring you guys with me as I try to run again. I'll start jogging and maybe run a 5K. See you in the next episode. Yippee-ki-yay, mother...